Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT into Google Docs. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Cool, okay, so let's jump into it. So as you can see, we are in Google, and what we're going to do is come up to the top right-hand side, click on these dots, and scroll down until we get to Google Docs. So we're just going to give that a click, and then we are going to press blank document. And now once that has loaded up, we are going to come up to this top menu bar and we are going to click on extensions, and then we are going to press add-ons and then get add-ons. And now you can see that has opened up this store for us. So we are now going to go into the search bar and type in ChatGPT Docs. Give that an enter, and amazing. So that's brought up. So there's lots of different options for you to choose. I'm going to go for this one here. So I'm going to give that a click. And then as you can see, we've got this blue button here that says install. So when you're ready, give that a click. And then you want to accept any terms and conditions, give continue. You are then going to need to log into your account. So with Google, so just do that, accept any other terms and conditions, press continue. Perfect, amazing. So that has been installed. So we can now press done. Cool. Okay. So as you can see, we are now back onto our Google Docs. So in order to launch ChatGPT, we need to have an API key set. So to get that, what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new browser and we're going to type in OpenAI, and then we're going to come up to the top right and we're going to click login. So you will need an account for this. If you haven't got one, then you'll need to open an account with them. And then as we're logged in, we are then going to press on this API button. We're then going to come over to the left, and as you can see, we've got this padlock here that says API keys. So if you give that a click, and then we're going to press on this button that says create new secret key, and then you want to label your key. So ours is for Google Docs, so we will type in Google Docs, but you can call yours whatever you want to. If you want to call it YouTube, GDocs, that's totally up to you. We're then going to come down and press create secret key. And as you can see, that has now created this secret key for us. So if we then hit the copy button, and then if we come back over to our Google Docs, we are then going to come up to extensions, GPT for Sheets, and then we're going to set API key. And then what you want to do is you then want to paste in your API key here, and then you want to press save key. You will then be able to use ChatGPT. So as you can see, it's now launched for us here on the right hand side. And then what you can then do is come over and you can type in your prompt and then press submit, and then ChatGPT will create it for you. So you do need to have credits in order to do this and for it to work properly for you guys. And that's it. That is how to install ChatGPT into Google Docs. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I will catch you guys in the next one.